Hello everyone, my name is David and today I'm going to show you how to install and use the multiple Google Shopping Feeds app so you can synchronize your product portfolio to Google Merchant Center to start promoting your product online in Google Shopping. Okay, you start by installing the app in from the Shopify App Store, and the first step would be to connect your app to Google Merchant Center. Basically, you will need a Google account and you need to allow the app to manage the product listings inside Google Shopping. All right, so we have connected. So the first thing you see here is a reminder of the app that we need to finish the shop checklist to ensure that Google will approve our product fit. We need to have a valid payment method. Of course, I have done that. I have also added contact information to my website, so I just have to check the list away. Okay, the next step would be to connect the merchant account. I have created a Google Merchant Center account, so I will only need to click connect. Otherwise, you will probably need to create a new one by clicking here and follow the guidance from Google. It's easy. Should take you like 2 minutes. Okay, so the app has connected, and let's see what has been changed inside Google Merchant Center. So you can see that the website has been verified and claimed inside Google Merchant Center, and we are good to go. The next step would be to configure the feed settings, and because feeds are configured in groups, I'm going to start by adding the first group. Feed groups are where you can define which products to be included. I'm going to start by including all products and start adding the first feed. For this one, I want to target United States, and I'm going to leave all the rest as the default weight. I'm going to select apparel because it is what my shop is selling. Okay, because I want to check the fit preview, so I'm gonna select a test product to see how my fit would look like. So with the fit preview, you will have a chance to double check your fit data before sending it to Google. So this is very important because Google maintains a high standard for the fit data, and um, it can easily disapprove your product fits, or worse, it can just suspend the Google account. So for this fit, I can see that the size could be a problem. Yes, it will be a problem because in my shop, the size of the product include the international size, the UK and EU, and for sure Google will not recognize this. So to change that, I will go to advanced options and go to the size. Just to extract the international part of the size, I'm going to use the regular expression search. And for you who don't know what regular expression is, basically it is a syntax that allow you to search and extract texts, part of the texts from a string. So you can see that I have extract just the S small from the size, and let's check the fit preview again. Alright, so now it looks pretty good. Price, everything looks fine, so I'm just save the fit. Okay, the app is telling me to upgrade because my fit include 47 products. I'm not ready to upgrade yet, so I'm gonna go back and narrow down my fit to include just one collection. And because my collection has only 10 products, which is within the free limit of the app, it should now allow me to save the fit settings. Alright, one more thing about the fit settings is you can access the previous version of the fits anytime, because once you started using the app, you will see that the fit setting will grow more complicated after each steps. The next step would be to finish the shipping settings. For you who are new to Google Merchant Center, um, inside Google Merchant requires you to configure the the shipping services before you can start any fit. So with the app, you have two options: either to import from the shop settings or to manually configure the settings. Because I have configured shipping to United States in my shop, I have chosen to import it to Google, and let's see how it has changed inside Google Merchant Center. Okay, so you can see that now inside Google Merchant Center, we have two shipping services reflected what I have inside my shop: UPS SurePost and UPS Ground. Right, let's move on and do the same with the tax settings. I'm not collecting tax in the United States, so I'm gonna select do not charge, and we'll check the same for the tax settings. Okay, so the app has updated Google Merchant Center settings to not collecting tax for US. Great. Alright, so I have finished all the settings, and you can see that the banner has gone away. That's an indication of settings completion, and you can see that the fit has already started, and we now have 10 pending items inside Google Merchant Center. Let's have a look. Okay, I can check the fit details. Okay, it has not shown up here. Probably it's gonna take a while before it show up here. So for now, let's go back and add another feed, because with this app you can create multiple feeds. So I'm gonna add another one to expand my market into United Kingdom. Okay, for United Kingdom, I will have to stick with USD because I have not enabled other currencies in my shop. But if you had, you will have an option to select the local currency, for example, British pound in here, which will be much better to target United Kingdom, because the customers they will have a tendency to buy in their currency. Okay, I'm gonna do the same for the fish selling, and I will have to do the same for the size as well. Let's show the fit preview first. Okay, in the fit preview you can see that the target country has changed to Great Britain. We have same problem with the sizes, and I'm gonna change it. Okay, for this I will want to extract the UK size out of this combination. So I'm going to use another regular expression that allow me to do just that. Let's check the fit preview again. So the size is now 38. I will need to also select a size system. Let's pick regular size. Okay, the size system is now UK. So we are good to go. So now I will have to upgrade because the free package only allowed up to 10 products and one fit. Accept. Okay, there's an email notifications about the acceptance of the new subscription from Shopify. So right after I have accepted, I can see a message telling me that product fit has been enqueued. Let's have a look. Yes, it has actually finished. I now have two fits, one to United Kingdom and one to United States. Oops, we now have another problem. I know what it is. Because we have added a new country into the fit settings, and the app has warned us that the shipping settings inside Google Merchant Center has gone outdated, which it has because we have only added the US shipping. Now I will have to reconfigure to also include the UK shipping settings. Okay, so you can see here that the UK shipping has been imported as well. So that let's move on and add another fit group because I now have upgraded the app. I should be able to include all products in this fit group, and I want to target another country this time. So this time I want to use another language for the fit, Vietnamese, because I have enabled the multilingual feature of the shop to include Vietnamese. So in the product data have been translated. Well, actually, in my case, I have not translated it, but um, for you who have multilingual product data, you can just select the fit language. I'm going to target Vietnam, and let's do the same for the fit setting. Okay, we would still have the problem with the size. So this fit will target Vietnam, but the same problem with the size. Let's fix it. Now you know how to fix it. Just copy this magical regular expression because it is an international um, size. I don't need to select a size system. Okay, now save the group. So now I have two groups, and for the first group we have two fits, include only 10 products. The second include all the products in my shop, 47, and targeting Vietnam only. Let's save it. Oops. Okay, three fits. Just for the sake of demonstration, I'm gonna upgrade it. It's take a little bit long. All right, finally. So the product fit has been enqueued again because I have modified the fit settings. The app will automatically restart the fit. Let's see if the fit setting has been saved. Yes. Let's have a look at the previous version of the fit as well. So you can see that we have started with one feed, then two feeds, and now we have three feeds. If I want to roll back to one of the previous version, all I need to do is just to click it and then apply it. For now, I'm going to stick with the new settings and have a look at the dashboard. Yes. So you can see that the app has synchronized 10 products to United Kingdom, 10 products to United States, and 47 products to Vietnam. Let's have a look. Okay, so all the product in the shop has been synchronized to Vietnam market. I saw some message from the app. Yes, because I have added Vietnam. I will now to do the same for the shipping settings again to make sure that Vietnam is added into the shipping target. Okay, perfect. Alright, so basically that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any problem, we are just one click away. You can click on